Was 2 a.m. I found this old USB in the attic of my new apartment in Chicago. Curiosity got me. I plugged it in. Laptop beeps ominously. Girl's panicked voice from video. If you're watching this, I'm dead. This USB isn't a virus. It's my soul. Don't watch till the end. Her pale face fills the screen. Eyes bloodshot. Narrator gasps. Video ends. My webcam turns on by itself. That's me. But who's that shadow behind me? Figure creeps closer in reflection. Yank the USB out, but files multiply. My last day everywhere. Shut down. It restarts alone. Screen flickers wildly. Friend's voice called, dude, that USB. It's empty now. Narrator whispers, your turn. Screen blacks out with whisper. Plug me in.